back to my channel. How you dolls are doing today? Hey boos, how you guys doing? I'm hoping you guys having a blessed day. What y'all been up to? New subscribers, how y'all been? How my old subscribers doing? How's the fam doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Before we get into video, as I always say, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, follow me on my social media. Thank you, UNice, for sending me this hair. And this is from UNice from the Amazon. So they reached out to me to do a review for them. So thank you for sending me this hair. So I want to do an unboxing because I want to do a sewing with this hair. I haven't had a sewing in a long time. So I really would love to do a sewing. So I'm going to wait till I get someone to sew my hair in for me. That's why I'd rather do an unboxing and an initial review, like my first thoughts. But I did an unboxing before with UNice. If you look back, I did it on their Jerry curl hair before, and that was I used the UNice from their actual website. I never did an update on the hairs. It was a lot going on. I didn't have time, so you're gonna see. I definitely will put the Jerry curl unboxing one down below, my first thought when I first got that hair. So I will definitely put it in the description box below if you want to check out their unboxing for their Jerry curl hair. This is the water wave hair. Yeah, this is their Brazilian water wave. It comes in just the box. Everybody know the UNice box. Hair care instructions are in the bag, and remarks basically how to take care of your hair and how to have it last a long time, because this is what the hair come in. This is the box. Here the hair comes. Inside comes the hair, and they're wrapped in plastic bags. Closure is also in the plastic bag. This one comes inside the box as well. So it says UNice natural extension of you, and is Amazon, how you can search it on Amazon store. Wow. So it comes with this basically it's a bootleg. So she is beautiful. I wonder if there probably is the hair. She is gorgeous. I'm always saying, every time I see the stock cars, I'll be like, oh my god, wow, this is like a good photo idea. What y'all think? This is a good photo idea. So they're telling you how to treat your extensions. Yeah, so this is the stock card it comes in. Jeez. Wow. So they must sell lashes. I'm gonna check that out. But also the lashes, they come with lashes, and it says UNice on there. So I wonder if they have their own eyelash line. 14-inch closure, and I have a 16. Is it 16? 18. Nope. 20. All right. And then 16. So I have a 16, 18, 20-inch bundle. So I got 3 bundles, 16, 18, and 20. And I have a 14-inch closure. So here is the closure, and it comes with net in it. So this is 4x4. It's a 4x4 closure. So this is a 4x4 closure. Everything you need to know about this hair will be in the description box below. The link, the inches again, and the price of the hair will be in the description box below. Yeah, it's a 4x4, but it looks longer. I'm so silly. It looks longer. And I'm thinking they gave me a 3-way, so I think it's a 3-way part, a 4-way part, because it has parts in them. So you see, it has a part. Base look a little tinted, just a little bit, but this is the 16-inch. Can see. No smell. It smells like hair, like how weave's supposed to smell, like just regular hair. Okay, so I don't know why it says this, but around the band it says UNice New Fashion Leader. So that's what that says on there. I don't know why I don't say UNice, but I guess that's the vendor they use. I have no idea. It tells you there's 100% Remy human hair, and it tells you the care tips as well. Bundles look pretty big. This is the 16-inch. The bundles look really thick. The band looks really good. The band looks good. The beards are not messed up. The band is pretty thick too. It looks like it's double weft. Yeah, so it's double weft. That's how big the 16-inch is. This is how the hair looks like. Water wave. Water wave is really pretty. It's really soft. Wow. Let's see if I get any shedding. No shedding. None at all. Wow, no shedding at all. It's a natural brown. I'm not going to be putting any dye on it. I don't like putting dye on my weave. It's okay. That's why you got closures and frontals for. You wet it. I know once it's wet and you dry it, put some product on there. like some leave-in conditioner, I know it's gonna be, the curls gonna pop really good. I love water wave hair. This is like an effortless hair. So I'm going to bring you guys some spring summer hair, perfect for spring, perfect for the summer that's coming up. This is like that, you want to go to a pool party vibes. This water wave be making you have that pool party vibes. Like I love like curly hair and water wave hair and deep curly, like anything with some waves or some curls in it. It's perfect for the summer. Like you be looking, you know, that's how the summer vibes, the wet hair look. It's just, yes. This is how the 16 gonna stop. So it's gonna be like right here for me if you want to get 16-inch. Curl patterns, it look the same throughout all the bundles. Yeah, it looks like the curl pattern, because usually the curl patterns be looking different through with the closure, and in the bundles their curl pattern will be off. So this is the 18-inch. So let's see where the 18 is gonna stop at. So it's a little bit, oh, it looks like, because the 16 was like way up here, so this is the 18. So it's probably gonna be like right here. Okay, the 20-inch, okay. The 20-inch is gonna be, let me show y'all the 20-inch so y'all can see what I'm talking about. So the 20-inch is gonna be like right there. So if you get 20-inch, that's where it stops at. 20-inch stops right there. So that's a 20-inch. So it's gonna be at the bottom. So that's where it stops. So you get 16, 18, and 20. Your 20-inch stops right there. And then the 18-inch is like a couple inches above. So if you get 16, 18, and 20, it stops like, I'm 5'5", so it stops right there when I stand up. Let me see if I stand up all the way. Yeah. So that's where the 20 stops at, and then the 16 is like a couple inches longer. So that's, yeah, so they're not too far apart, see? So this is the 20-inch, and this is the 18-inch. So it's like you can see the difference, like 2 inches difference. Curl pattern is still the same. The bundles are still thick. 18-inch is more thicker, 20-inch. But if you get like a 20, 22, 24, you're good. Like you're good with that. 20, 22, 24, you can still get 3 bundles. If you really want it really full, I'll get 4 bundles. The 3 bundles together. So that's how thick it will look on your hair. And understand that this is curly hair, so I haven't raked through all the bundles. So it might look a little thin, but I'm pretty sure once I rake through it, it'll be pretty natural looking. So perfect hair for the summer. If I find someone to do my hair next weekend, I will definitely have my hair done next weekend. I'm gonna come back with a 1-week update on the hair to let you guys know how it's holding up. Thank you, UNice, for sending this hair again. I really appreciate you guys. And I'll say thank you, dolls, for watching this video. Make sure to check out my Instagram and my Snapchat. Make sure to subscribe so you can see more videos, because I'll be back with another video next week. So I do upload once a week to let you dolls know. So make sure to be back to get the update on this hair. I hope you dolls enjoyed this video, and I'll see you dolls in my next video. Bye!